Mentirang ba kajala o Conrad ke Sangma ulalik penbu mau Nongrim yang jingshna ke Indigenous Cultural Center jong ke Seng Khasi ke badan Mawkhar. Hakane ke sibu mau Nongrim jong ke jingshna ke Indigenous Cultural Center la sandran yu mentirang ba kajala o Conrad ke Sangma dau sembut mentirang ba o ba Preston Tengsong mentri ke tourism u ba Paul Lengdo kinong ilam ke Seng Khasi kemi bat kikun ke Seng Khasi. Menteri rang ba kajala Conrad ke Sangma haba ai jing keren hakane jingelang ulakan pau ka jing so komen ke bakrau mandan menta manbu mau Nongrim ya kate ke jingshna malapan mang da ka sorkar. Conrad ke Sangma ulaong baban pendek pensa ya kerkom im ke jing itu khana bat ka culture kalong ke badon kam shibon baleng ba kine ngisala mentip bangi deki berkata kadai ka jinglong ke bakar pang jongi kabala ro ban penyeper ringi nak kiwepat kisai benreu.
Sangma, sir, your presence today reaffirm the significance of this initiative. Your dedication and support have been instrumental.
Very happy to be here today, to be part of this celebration, I should say. I remember a couple of years back, if I'm not wrong, I can't remember the month, the members of the Seng Khasi had approached the government, had met me personally, and had proposed to put up this particular Indigenous Cultural Center. And that was the beginning of the process of being able to reach this point where today we are finally laying the foundation for something which I believe is going to be truly amazing. And I say that because I am a very strong proponent when it comes to preserving the culture, preserving our way of life, preserving our history, and celebrating it. And the reason is because that is who we are. That is our identity. That is what makes us who we are and also differentiates us from others. And we are so fortunate that not just in Meghalaya and not just in the northeast part of the country, but India as a whole is such a beautiful and a diverse nation. And hence, from 2018 onwards, it has been the endeavor of our government to continue to support, provide infrastructure, have different programs in order to promote, preserve, and as I said, celebrate the culture and diversity of our state. I remember very fondly when we had gone for the Nongrim dance in Smith, and there were certain programs that were held, rituals that were celebrated. And I remember first time visiting and realizing that there were certain rituals which were centuries old. And yet when I reached the location, there was just an open ground with not even a place to sit. And I could not imagine that for 100 years the ritual has been happening here and there is no infrastructure. immediately after talking to all the stakeholders, we sanctioned roughly about 4.5 crores. And I'm so happy we are still not inaugurated it. I'm waiting for the inauguration. But we have a nice gallery out there, a nice space, a nice location. And I'm so happy to see that we are giving shape and structure and the necessary infrastructure for different cultural as well as important, significant aspects of the culture of our people and our state. And today's program is, as I said, another example of that effort from our side to be able to really preserve the culture of the Seng Khasi and the state as a whole, and the Khasi and other communities and tribes in the state of Meghalaya.